Let's show our data in the front end. This is our data. Behind the scene, I created 50 posts by using factory and Seda. So this is our route. To show the post in the front, we have to create a page, and we are using Vue to control the front. Let's go to the pages. Let's create a folder called posts. Then I already created it. Let's delete. Then I will show it you. Create a file called index Vue. Let's move this part from here to our post controller. Let's call post controller, and the method should be indexed to show the data. So to connect the data with front end and pass the data from backend, we are using inertia. Let's return inertia method called render, and our folder name is posts and file is index. This index file will show our data. We'll pass the data from here. Let's call it posts. This is our index. Let's create a template. Inside the template, let's get a div, then ul li. So we pass the data from here to our post index file. So we will take this post keyword as a props. Let's say script. We'll use composition API. Let's say define props call posts. Then we can say before. Before is a directive of Vue.js to loop through the array. Post in posts. We need to pass a key that is unique, post.id, and we will show post.title. Let's see our data structure. Okay, this is the data. Okay, we have to say posts dot data, otherwise it won't show. Let's see if it's showing or not. Okay, our title is showing. Let's make it little bit nicer. Let's give some padding top 6, padding x 4, and class border bottom 2, green 300. Let's give some padding also here, padding y 3. So it's showing all the 50 posts. but we have to paginate it. Let's say how the pagination data. We have to call paginate. First, let's see what it pass. Okay, it passed all the 50 posts and the links and the meta. Meta have current page, links, last page, and other things that we'll need. To paginate the post, let's copy some pagination style from here. Let's create a component. Pagination.vue. Let's paste it here. And let's import the component in here. We can say import pagination from slash component slash pagination. Let's use it here. Okay, the pagination components needs this metadata. So we can pass, let's like a keyword meta, then post dot meta. Let's see how the pagination look like. Let's comment it. This is our pagination design, so we have to dynamic it. Okay, we have the data. Let's take it here. So we passed our meta in the pagination Vue. Let's take it here. Say define props. The keyword is meta. Then we can say showing meta dot from. Then we can say to meta dot to and meta dot total. We have the keywords in the meta. This is from, this is to, and this is total. Let's see. So 1 to 15 and total 50 results. It's working. Okay, let's dynamic this anchor. Let's say v for meta. Let's say links, sorry, link in meta dot links. This is the links array. Let's remove this. Let's say meta dot level. Let's comment it and let's see. Okay, we didn't pass the number. Sorry, it should be link.label, not the meta.label. Because we have link. Okay, it's showing the number. Let's change the href. We can say link.url, I think. Link.url, yeah, it's URL. Okay, we have the URL. If we click on the 3, let's see if it changed or not. Yeah, it's the number 3. Let's remove other things. So to make it a single page application, we have to use the Vue link. Sorry, we have to first import link, and then we can say link. Yeah, it's working.